India is prepared to expand the Malabar Trilateral Naval Exercise involving India, the US and Japan, to also include Australia, defense officials told. While a decision on whether to extend the invitation is expected soon, the officials said, it was unlikely to be announced during Thursday's virtual summit between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Australian counterpart Scott Morrison. Cooperation in the Indo-Pacific and the strengthening of defense ties would be at the top of the agenda for the talks, and India and Australia are expected to conclude the long-pending Mutual Logistics Support Agreement or MLSA as part of measures to elevate the strategic partnership. We have a shared approach to a free, open, inclusive and prosperous Indo-Pacific, said a Ministry of External Affairs official. This has led to a convergence of mutual interest in many areas, the official said, stressing that as two democratic nations, the two countries had a better understanding of regional and global issues. Despite regular requests from Australia in the last few years, India has resisted issuing the invitation to the Malabar exercise, ostensibly over concerns that it would give the appearance of a quadrilateral military alliance aimed at China. However, the recent India-China tensions over the situation at the line of actual control may have brought more flexibility to the decision-making process, and the Prime Minister's office and Foreign Ministry are expected to take a final decision in consultation with the Ministry of Defence. The announcement of the MLSA, which would allow reciprocal use of each other's military bases for exchange of fuel and provisions to simplify logistical support and improve operational turnaround, would mark another step in that direction. Australia was the first country to submit a draft MLSA after India signed the first such agreement with the US in 2016. It was to be signed last year during the scheduled visit of Defence Minister Rajnath Singh to Canberra, but the trip was cancelled due to his domestic engagements. It was then expected to be part of the announcement at the Modi-Morrison summit in January 2020, which had to be postponed due to Australian forest fires, and put off again in May because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Rather than putting it off any further, the two leaders decided to continue the engagement even though it was in the form of a virtual meeting, officials said. A broader maritime cooperation agreement with a focus on maritime domain awareness is also in the works, and Australia has agreed to post a liaison officer at the Indian Navy's Information Fusion Centre, Indian Ocean Region at Gurugram. The two countries also have increasingly common military platforms as India's defense purchases from the US continue to grow. Thank you everyone for watching this video.